how you can set stop loss in Robinhood. So open your Robinhood app, and once you are here, we want to open any your position which you already have. So for example, I got here some little crypto. It's a little bit down today, so we want to click on trade and make sure to click sell. And in the right upper corner area is the market order, so click it. And here we want to find stop order, which is the stop loss. And if a stock or crypto falls to a fixed stop price, it will trigger a sell order. So click on stop order. And now you have to set your stop loss price. I'm gonna set 50,000 and click continue. And you can set here the time in force up to 90 days. So if Bitcoin hits 50,000 euros in next 30 days, it's gonna trigger the sell order. If you click on continue, you can enter here the amount, how much you wanna sell if it triggers this stop loss price. Then click on continue and you are all set up. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.